Alright guys, after like a week I'm finally making a video. I know it's been so long. And as you can see from where we are right now, I'm in Roblox Studio. And whenever I'm in Roblox Studio, I use face cam, which means I just realized I can't do face cam because of epic issues. So yeah, I guess that's sad. But what we are going to be doing is, yeah, we're making a Roblox game obviously. But you'll see. You'll see. I have a tool. This tool can delete things. And I think you know where I'm going with this. Deleting simulator thingy. Yeah. I'm going to put like a bunch of parts in here. And you're going to be able to satisfy, like, dude, just delete that. I have to go through this stupid process again. Oh wait, never mind. It just take that other Roblox Studio tab. You just got yourself deleted by my display capture. Haha, noob. It wasn't actually the one I was on for once. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spawn a bunch of parts rapidly. And no, we're not going to do stuff like that. No. Basically, I'm going to like make a bunch of like random parts, and you're going to be able to delete them. Now, like I don't know how this would like work or anything, but like duplicate. I'm just gonna like duplicate a lot of these. Move this thing over here. A bunch of parts. Tell me this is a thing. Thank you. I knew this would be a thing. Now let me scale this. No, this is bad. Yeah, a bunch of random parts. Yes, we need this. Yeah, we need to do that. They're all unanchored. That's good. Now I just need to spam a bunch of these. Yes, this is like the best game in like the history of games. Oh, and we need to make a lobby too. How could I forget? We need to start deleting. Okay, let's just do this. Let's go for like a red kind of theme. Let's make this the material. Let's go for let's go for more of like an orange kind of. Like maybe, yeah, like maybe this and then that. Yeah, that's good. Prepare to delete stuff. And then I'm going to give everyone a sword. Okay. Sure, yeah, put in starter pack. Nice. And then Minecraft diamond sword. I'm going to put or no, huh? I have to do this. Alright, to put this. Yeah, I did do that obviously. And then let me wait, no, never mind. Let's remove Albert screaming. We have to do this, and then we'll put Albert screaming. Yeah, let's go. Now, are there any directions? No, there aren't. Alright, this is like the best script in like the entirety of the world. So we're just going to like copy and paste everything like right here. We're just gonna like duplicate that, and we're gonna like move it over here. This is going to be a laggy game, as you can see. We're gonna move it up more. And then, as far as the base plate goes, we're going to extend it farther. Oh, it doesn't go that far. It's already extended. Okay, that makes sense. It's a pretty big base plate. It would be kind of cool if I could extend it, though. But we do gotta add one of these guys, some of these Albert guys. Model. Is this just a model? Are you kidding me? It doesn't move. Hold on a second. Survive Albert. I want to see this stuff in there. Survive Albert Felipe. I need to make this huge. Humongous. I need to put a bunch of giant Felipes in here. Yeah. And then Felipe. You need to move this. Duplicate. Duplicate. It's going to be the best game ever. It's like high quality, amazing game. You guys are gonna love it. You guys are gonna play it. Link in the description. I may actually put the link in the description. Who knows? Alright, this game looks pretty good. I'm gonna play it and I'm gonna get ready to die. Delete the Felipe. You gotta delete the Felipe. Oh yeah, I'm getting ready for a lot of lag. Oh gosh, what's this? Hi. You gotta delete a bunch of this stuff over here. Can I delete these? Yes, I can. Yeah, that's the point. We're gonna delete all these blocks, kind of. Delete this. Where are the Felipes? The Felipes are being weird. Yeah, you have to delete all this stuff. This special stuff. And then you got a sword you can kill people with. Like you can like build like a fork kind of. You can just like delete it. Oh, I need to make like a building tool as well. Hold on. Oh, I just got a really good idea. I just got a really good idea for like a game. I need to delete all these parts. Oh, this is about to be laggy. Alright. I need to restart because I have a really good idea for this game. I need to, Alright, so I have the classic sword delete. I need build tool. I got a tool that can build stuff. Is this seriously the building tools that I've been wanting? Yes, we need building tools, obviously, and then we need add part tool. Delete, add. Oh my gosh, build. My gosh. Tool. I don't know. Part tool. Part tool. Put this in starter pack. Yes. Wait. Imagine the build tools actually work all this time. Building tools. I'm actually kind of try that. Okay, so I can delete stuff, sure, and then 4. Can I add parts? No, I can't. Are you kidding me? 3. I actually get building tools. Wow. This is an amazing game. I need a build fort to survive from monster. Yes, we need to build very big fort. Yes, sir. Mess around with building tools. That's going to be the name of the game. Yes. Okay, and then we can just take that part and we can delete it. Yeah, that's actually pretty cool. Yeah, I like that. But then this part, there's no use for that. Wait, give me a second. I just got like the best idea. I swear. Oh gosh. Tools classing. I'm saving this so that doesn't happen again. I hate when that happens. Of course they just add that. I needed that. Building tools giver. Yeah, I need this. Oh gosh, I just realized how big this spaceway is. Spawn point. You can put like a spawn point right here. I need what's like the tool that I use to like add stuff? Like the opposite one of delete. Spawn right here. Building tools giver. You can paint stuff. That doesn't work. What's this? You can blockify stuff. What does this do? I don't know what that does. Wait, stop. I need to look at this building tool giver. I need to do some research. Where is this thing? Building tools giver. Humanoid, put the weapons. I don't care. What are these? Material tool. I'm not sure. Paintbrush. Resize, we need that. Surface tool, copy. Oh, grab. No, we're doing the delete one. Material. Not sure. Oh, right. I need to still delete that. Okay, so 5. What does this do? Resize tool. Yeah. We love the resize tool. Resize tool is epic. Do that. Concrete. That, yeah. We're gonna do wood. I don't know what I'm doing at this point. Ice. This. Oh, that's not gonna work. What's 7? Oh, rotate tool? Oh, that's actually pretty cool. Yeah, we might need that. Okay, so stop this. Now let me take out the grab. Material and reset. Like, give me a second. Give me 1 second. Okay, I'm almost done with testing this. I don't know what that does. It's a resize. Okay. What's the other one besides resize? Material. Okay. Deleting that. Alright, now we're going to put these in the starter pack. And we're going to delete this. And our game is complete. Now all we have to do is this. And yeah, thanks for watching me build for like 14 minutes. Bye.